This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Both your TV and casting device are on the same Wi-Fi network, and the TV's cast or mirroring mode is turned on. Once done, open the cast or screen mirroring control on your phone, tablet, or computer. You'll see available receivers listed. Make sure your TV name appears. If it doesn't, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or restart the casting app, because discovery often fails when services haven't refreshed. You now choose the target and adjust how you cast. Tap the TV name to initiate the connection. A short handshake or permission prompt may appear on the TV. Once connected, decide whether to mirror your entire screen or cast from a specific app to save battery and bandwidth. Make sure to set resolution and audio output in the app or operating system. Lowering resolution reduces lag. If you use a dongle, keep its firmware updated, because stability depends on both. You finish by stopping the cast from the same control you started with or by closing the casting app. The TV will return to its previous input. If the stream lags or stutters, reduce resolution, close background apps, or move the router closer to improve signal. When nothing appears, restart the TV or dongle and your source device, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and check the TV's network settings. One key troubleshooting tip: enable multicast/UPnP on your router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.